Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cast iron woks that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to elevate your stir fries, I've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Bruntmor 14-inch blue enameled cast iron wok. This wok stands out with its bold enameled finish and flat base, making it perfect for any stovetop, including electric, gas, and induction. It's pre-seasoned, so you can start cooking right out of the box. Plus, it comes with a wooden lid, which adds a nice touch for simmering and steaming dishes. The design of this wok is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The enameled coating gives it a slight edge in rust resistance compared to traditional cast iron. It has large loop handles on both sides, making it easy to maneuver, even when it's full of food. However, at 14 inches, it's also quite large, so it's best suited for those cooking for families or larger groups. In terms of performance, the Bruntmor wok delivers even heating and retains heat exceptionally well, as you'd expect from cast iron. The pre-seasoned coating offers decent non-stick capabilities, but you'll still need to care for it properly to avoid sticking over time. While it's versatile and can handle a variety of cooking techniques, its weight and size might be a bit much for some users. Overall, this wok is a great pick for those who value design and functionality, but its lack of a clear price point may put it out of reach for budget-conscious buyers. Coming in at number 4 is the Backcountry Iron 14-inch cast iron wok. This wok features a robust build and a flat base, making it compatible with gas, electric, and induction cooktops. It's pre-seasoned with a proprietary oil blend, so it's ready to use straight out of the box. The wok also boasts a smoother finish than many other cast iron options, which enhances its performance and usability. With its 14-inch diameter and 4-inch depth, the Backcountry Iron wok is ideal for large batches of stir-fries or even tasks like deep frying and searing. The dual handles make it easier to handle, despite its 10-pound weight, but it's still quite heavy, so keep that in mind. One standout feature is its proudly USA-designed heritage, which emphasizes durability and quality craftsmanship. In terms of cooking performance, this wok excels at even heat distribution and retention, ensuring that your food cooks consistently. However, like all raw cast iron cookware, it requires careful maintenance to prevent rusting. This wok is perfect for home cooks who want versatility and reliability, but its size and weight may feel cumbersome for smaller kitchens or casual cooks. It's a strong contender if you're looking for a wok that will last generations, but it's not the most user-friendly option out there. At number 3, we have the Megachef 14-inch pre-seasoned cast iron wok with lid. This wok offers a fantastic combination of versatility and durability. It's pre-seasoned and ready for use, and it comes with a fitted lid, making it ideal for a wide variety of cooking methods, such as frying, baking, sautéing, and even braising. It's compatible with gas stoves, ovens, and even barbecue setups, so it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor cooking. The Megachef wok is designed with practicality in mind. Its 14-inch size and 6.25 quart capacity make it spacious enough for cooking large meals, while its sturdy cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution. The lid adds an extra layer of functionality, allowing you to retain moisture and flavor while cooking. However, at 10 pounds, it's not the lightest option, and the handles can get quite hot during use, so you'll need to use oven mitts. In terms of value, the Megachef wok is a solid mid-range option. It's priced at $46.99, which is reasonable considering its size, build quality, and included lid. It's a great pick for those who need a versatile wok for cooking for large groups, but its weight and the need for regular seasoning might be drawbacks for some users. Overall, it's a reliable and feature-packed choice for serious home cooks. At number 2, we have the Lodge Manufacturing Company L9MW Mini Wok. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this 9-inch mini wok is hard to beat. It's pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, so it's ready to use right out of the box. Despite its compact size, It offers excellent heat retention and distribution, making it a fantastic option for smaller meals or side dishes. The design of this mini wok is simple yet effective. Its smaller size makes it lightweight and easy to handle, especially for those who find full-sized cast iron woks too cumbersome. It's perfect for cooking stir-fries, scrambled eggs, or even small portions of fried rice. However, its 4.73-pound weight is still substantial for its size, which is something to consider if you're prioritizing portability. At just $19.90, this wok offers incredible value for money. It's ideal for individuals or couples who want the benefits of cast iron cooking without the heft or price tag of a full-sized wok. However, its limited capacity means it's not the best choice for larger families or those who frequently cook in bulk. Overall, the Lodge Mini Wok is a fantastic entry-level option for anyone new to cast iron cookware. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more great content. If you have any questions about these woks or want to share your own experiences, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.